Good morning, students. First, we will solve the doubts of your paper on Saturday, chapter 13 probability. એમાં અમુક જે ડાઉટ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે થોડાક તમારા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સે ડાઉટ્સ જે મોકલા છે એ ડાઉટ્સના સોલ્યુશન કરાવજો. એ સિવાયના કોઈને ડાઉટ્સ હોય તો મને મેસેજ કરજો તો હું સોલ્યુશનનું મોકલી દઈશ. First doubt is of question number 7. A company has 3 plants. Each produces certain item, 30% from A, 50% from plant B, and remaining from plant C, means 20% from plant C. Suppose that 1%, 4%, and 3% of the items produced at plants A, B, C respectively are defective. આપણે ઇવેન્ટ એઝ્યુમ કરી કે item is defective. So A/E1, if it produced from plant A, then probability the item is defective is 1%. Same A/E2 means item produced from plant B, then the item is defective, chances is 4%. And A/E3, item produced from plant C, then item will be defective, probability is 3%. Now here important is question. Mostly બધા question સમજવામાં જ mistake કરી છે. Question શું છે કે if an item is selected at random from all those produced, what is the probability that item was produced at plant B and is defective? તમારે ફાઇન્ડ શું કરવાનું છે? Item produced at plant B means E2 and means intersection is defective. Means here you have to find E2 intersection A. E2 intersection A means probability of E2 into A/E2. A/E2 ની ફોર્મ્યુલા E2 intersection A upon E2. એમાંથી મેં E2 intersection A ને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવ્યો. So it is P of E2 into A/E2. So P of E2 is 50%, means 50 by 100. A/E2 is 4%, means 4 by 100. So 2 by 100. So answer is 0.02. Okay. Next question, question number 8. P of A dash is given, P of B is given, and P of A intersection B is given. You have to find B/A union B dash. So formula for that is B intersection A union B dash all divided by P of A union B dash. આ ટાઈપના question generally Venn diagram થી solve કરવાના. So first we will draw Venn diagram of A union B dash. That is A and B. A union B dash means part other than B and A. તો A union B dash નું ડાયાગ્રામ જો તો આખે આખું સેમ્પલ સ્પેસ આવી જ જાય છે બટ આટલો પાર્ટ નથી આવતો. So 1 probability of sample space is 1 minus આપણે P of B minus કરવાનો છે બટ આખો P of B minus નથી કરવાનો એમાંથી આટલો પાર્ટ આવે છે. So that part is A intersection B. So we have to add that. So plus A intersection B. Plus A intersection B. Okay. In numerator you have to take B intersection A union B dash. That is a Venn diagram of A union B dash. So એનું મારે B સાથેનું intersection. So intersection is in this part. That is your A intersection B. That is your A intersection B. So P of A intersection B is 0.3. 1 minus P of B is 0.5 and A intersection B is 0.3. So answer is 3 upon 8. Answer is 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 ने solve करना जो. So that is 0.83 sorry 83 24 60 87 so 0.37. अजी आगे कर सो that is 0.375. Next question. Question number 16. I mean homework में एक हो तो. Here A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B means we can write P of A intersection B is equals to P of A. When A is a subset of B, so A intersection B, P of A. Right? Now given relation is P of A slash B is equals to what? Okay. So first we will write the formula of A slash B. So that is A intersection B upon P of B. A intersection B is P of A. So P of A upon P of B. So we can write A slash B into P of B is equals to P of A. Now you know that probability of B is always less than or equal to 1 or less than 1. I will k equal to ની સાઈન નથી એટલે આપણે probability of B less than 1 લઈએ. So P of P is less than 1. So S less P into P of P is less than S less B. मैं S less B को multiply करूँ, S less B is always positive. तो मैं multiply करूँ, so the inequality change नहीं है. S less B into P of B is P of A. So P of A is less than P of S less B. P of A is less than S less B. Means option is C. S less B greater than P of A. So that is the answer of question number 16. Next, question number 17. Is one ticket is selected at random from 100 tickets number 00, 01, 02 up to 99. If A and B denote respectively the sum and the product of the digits on the ticket, then you have to find P of A is equals to 9 slash B is equals to 0. MCQ માં આપણે મેથડ કઈ રીતે MCQ વાળી જ રીતે કરશું. કઈ ઇવેન્ટ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગઈ છે તો કે B is equals to 0. B means product on the digits on tickets is 0. तो कई कई टिकट्स में मल्टीप्लिकेशन 0 થાશે 01 02 03 04 05 06 07 08 09 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 and 90 આટલાનું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન 0 થાશે. સો ટોટલ 10 plus 9 90. એમાંથી A is equals to 9 means sum 9 થાતો હોય એવા કેટલા એલિમેન્ટ્સ તો કે 2 એલિમેન્ટ્સ. So answer is 2 by 19. Okay. Next is question number 19. A1, A2, A3 up to AN are n independent events such that P of AI is equals to 1 upon I plus 1. P of AI is equals to 1 upon I plus 1. Must find the probability that none of the A1, A2, AN occurs means P of A1 days, A2 days, A3 days up to AN days. Now here events are independent, but the events independent. So I can write P of A1 days into A2 days into A3 days up to AN days. P of AI is equals to 1 upon I plus 1. So P of AI dash is equals to 1 minus 1 upon I plus 1. So that is I can write I upon I plus 1. I upon I plus 1. So A1 dash is 1 by 2. A2 dash is 2 by 3. A3 dash is 3 by 4. Up to AN dash is n upon n plus 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 आनी साथे cancel and another ने साथे cancel. So answer is 1 upon n plus 1. 1 upon n plus 1 is the answer. Next, question number 20. E, F, G be pairwise independent. E, F, G pairwise independent means E intersection F is equals to E into F. F intersection G is equals to F into G. And E intersection G is equals to E into G. P of G is greater than 0 and P of E intersection F intersection G is 0. E intersection F intersection G is 0. You have to find P of E dash intersection F dash slash G. E dash intersection F dash slash G means you have to find E dash intersection F dash intersection G upon P of G upon P of G. Okay. હવે E intersection F intersection G 0 છે means ત્રણેય ક્યાંય intersect નથી થતા. તો roughly આપણે Venn diagram draw કરીએ. So it will be like this. કે G છે ને હું આ રીતે ડ્રો કરીશ. તો ત્રણમાંથી કોઈ intersect થશે નહીં. E intersection F મળશે, F intersection G મળશે. E intersection F મળશે, F intersection G મળશે, E intersection G મળશે. પણ ત્રણેય intersect થાય એવો પોર્શન નથી because E intersection F intersection G is 0. Now here you have to take intersection of E dash F dash एंड जी, तो पहले हूँ जी ड्रॉ करना को, दैट इज माय जी. Okay, now E dash means part other than E. So that is my E dash. Now F dash, so part other than F. So that is part other than F. તો ત્રણેયનું ઇન્ટરસેક્શન જો, ત્રણેયનું ઇન્ટરસેક્શન કયા પોર્શનમાં થયું? તો કે ત્રણેયનું ઇન્ટરસેક્શન આટલા પોર્શનમાં થયું. G છે પણ G માંથી બે સેક્શન તમારે રિમૂવ કરવાના છે. એક આટલો પાર્ટ G માંથી માઈનસ કરવો પડશે અને એક આ પાર્ટ G માંથી માઈનસ કરવો પડશે. Okay, so we can write P of G minus E intersection G minus F intersection G. That is E intersection G and that is F intersection G. All divided by P of G. બધામાં P of G separate આપી દે તો P of G upon P of G minus E intersection G is E into G and F intersection G is P of F into P of G. So that is 1 minus E minus F. So either it is a 1 minus P of E is P of E dash minus P of F, or 1 minus P of F is P of F dash minus P of E. બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ ઓપ્શન હોય એ ઓપ્શન આવશે. So option number C is E dash minus F. I push that is F dash minus E, but D option is P of E minus F dash. એટલે D નહીં આવે. Answer is C. Clear? Next question. Question number 24. A dash is 0.3. B is 0.4. A intersection B dash is 0.5. You have to find P of B slash A union B dash. Question number 8 માં આપણે B slash A union B dash find કર્યું હતું બરાબર વેન ડાયાગ્રામ થી. So A union B dash is 1 minus P of B plus A intersection B. Direct નો આવડે તો વેન ડાયાગ્રામ જોઈ લેજો. In numerator it is a B intersection A union B dash. હમણાં જ વેન ડાયાગ્રામ માં કર્યું હતું. And B intersection A union B dash is A intersection B. હવે A dash intersection B, A intersection B dash શું થશે? A B. B dash means part other than B and A. So intersection is A intersects path has a P of A minus A intersection B. A માંથી A intersection B subtract કરો એટલે આ પાર્ટ મળે, that is 0.5. P of A dash is 0.3, so P of A is 0.7. So I can write 0.7 minus 0.5 is equals to P of A intersection B. A ની જગ્યાએ 0.7, 0.5 આ સાઈડ આવ્યું, A intersection B સામે ગયું. So P of A intersection B is equal to 0.2. Put the values 0.2 upon 1 minus 0.4 plus 0.2. So that is 0.2 by 0.8. So answer is 1 by 4. Okay. Next question number 25. A committee of 4 students is selected at random from the group of consisting of 8 boys and 4 girls. We have to make committee of 4 students. We have to make committee of 4 students. But given that there is at least one girl in committee, then the probability that there are exactly 2 girls in committee. एक इवेंट આપણને ખબર છે એને આપણે ઇવેન્ટ બી કહી દઈએ શું ખબર છે કે at least one girl in committee. અને a ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. a is exactly 2 girls in committee. Exactly 2 girls in committee. Here we have to find P of A slash B. I event આપી દીધી છે. If we know that there is at least one girl in committee, then what is the probability that exactly 2 girls in committee means we have to find A slash B. So that is A intersection B upon P of B. A intersection B upon P of B. So first we will find P of B. At least one girl in committee. At least one girl in committee means total 4 members in committee હોય તો એમાં કા 0 girls હોય કા 1 હોય કા 2 હોય કા 3 હોય ને કા 4 girls હોય. We have to find probability of at least one girl means one girl or two girl or three girl or four girls. તો આપણે ચાર કેસ લેવા પડે. But we know that summation of all this probability is 1. તો હું જો 1 probability 1 માંથી 0 girl ની probability minus કરી નાખું તો મને આ બધી probability મળી જાય અને sum મળી જાય. So what we will do for P of B, 1 minus probability of 0 girls. 0 girls means there are 4 boys. Committee 4 ની બનાવવાની છે તો 0 girls હોય તો 4 4 boys હોય. So 1 minus total boys are 8. From that 4 boys can be selected in 8C4 ways. Divided by total are 12. So divided by 12C4. So 1 minus 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 whole divided by 12 11 10 9 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 cancel. 4 2s are 8 4 3s are 12. 3 into 2 6 5 into 2 10. So that is 14 upon 99. So P of B is 14 upon 99. Now what is A intersection B? Exactly 2 girls and at least one girl. At least one girl means 1 girl 2 3 and 4. That is your B. And A is exactly 2 girls. So A intersection B, A is a subset of B. So A intersection B is but obviously P of A means exactly 2 girls. So what P of A intersection B is? P of A. So what is P of A? Exactly 2 girls in committee. तो committee માં 2 girls હશે તો 2 boys હશે. Total 4 members છે તો 2 girls હોય તો 2 boys હોય. 2 boys કેટલી રીતે સિલેક્ટ થાય? 8C2. 2 girls કેટલી રીતે સિલેક્ટ થાય? 4C2. Whole divided by 12C4. Whole divided by 12C4. And 12C4 simplify નો કર્યો તો ચાલે. અહીં cancel થઈ જાય. So that is 8 7 2 1 4 3 2 1 upon 12 11 10 9 4 3 2 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 into 5 is 10. And it is 3 into 3 is 9. So that is 8 into 7 upon 11 into 5 into 3 divided by 14 upon 99. 11 9s are 3 3s are 7 2s are, so that is 20. Mistake fail. Exactly 2 girls, 8C2 4C2 upon 12C4. पाछू सोल्व करिए 8721 14/99 is your P of B. So 8721 here it is 4321 upon 12 11 10 9 upon 4321. So 4 3s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 into 2 4 and 3 are 9. So that is your P of A. 8 upon 7, 11 into 5 into 3 upon P of B is 14/99. 7 2s are mistake થાય છે. Oh, it is 1 minus કરવાનું રહી ગયું. 1 minus 44/99. 1 minus રહી ગયો. So that is 85/99. Not 14/99. It is 85/99. So 871153 upon 85/99. 11 3s are 33 into 3. So it is 8 into 3 20, 8 7s are 56, 56 into 3 is 168 upon 85 into 5 400 and 425. So answer is 168 upon 425. Option number A. Next question. Question number 29. The contents of 1, 1, 2 and 3 are as follow: 1 white, 2 black, 3 red, 1 on is chosen at random and 2 balls are drawn. They happen to be white and red. The probability that come on 1 is. આ તમને હિન્ટ આપી દઉં બેઝ થિયરમ થી કરવાનું છે. E1 is first turn, E2 is second turn and E3 is third turn, and your event A is 1 white and 1 red. You have to find E1 slash A. You have to find E1 slash A. થઈ જશે. Last question 31. If from each of the box containing 3 white, 1 black, 2 white, 2 black, and 1 white, 3 black, one ball is drawn at random. ત્રણેય બોક્સ માંથી એક એક બોલ સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો છે. આમાંથી એક બોલ, આમાંથી એક બોલ, આમાંથી એક બોલ. Then the probability that 2 white and 1 black ball will be drawn. ત્રણેયમાંથી એક એક બોલ સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો છે. તો 2 white and 1 black ball કઈ રીતે આવે? તો કે ફર્સ્ટ માંથી white, સેકન્ડ માંથી white, થર્ડ માંથી black, or ફર્સ્ટ માંથી white, સેકન્ડ માંથી black, થર્ડ માંથી white, or ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ માંથી white, સોરી ફર્સ્ટ માં black અને સેકન્ડ અને થર્ડ માં white. તો ફર્સ્ટ માં white આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 3/4, સેકન્ડ માં white આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 2/4, થર્ડ માં black આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 3/4 પ્લસ ફર્સ્ટ માં white 3/4, સેકન્ડ માં black 2/4, થર્ડ માં white 1/4. ફર્સ્ટ માં black 1/4, સેકન્ડ માં white 2/4, થર્ડ માં white 1/4. So LCM is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 18 plus 6, 24 plus 2. So 26/64. So that is 13/32. Answer is 13/32. Option number A. Okay. આટલા મોસ્ટલી ડાઉટ્સ મને આવ્યા હતા, એ ડાઉટ સોલ્વ કરાવ્યા છે. હજી આ સિવાયના કોઈને ડાઉટ્સ હોય તો મને સેન્ડ કરજો મેસેજ, હું તમને પર્સનલમાં સોલ્યુશન મોકલી દઈશ. Okay, now our next topic is mean and variance. Our next topic is mean and variance. Formula for mean is sigma I is equals to 1 to n xi into p of xi. હવે લાસ્ટ ટોપિક આપણે ભણ્યા હતા ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન. તો પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન માં તમે શું કરતા હતા કે કોઈ રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ x હોય અને એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી હોય. Let random variable x is x1 and probability is p of x1, x2 p of x2, રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ x3 પ્રોબેબિલિટી x3 અથવા તમને n રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ્સ છે અને એની સામે રિસ્પેક્ટિવ n રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલની પ્રોબેબિલિટીઝ છે. તો મીન ની ફોર્મ્યુલા શું છે? તો કે xi p of xi અને એનો સમ મીન્સ x1 ને તમારે p of x1 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનો. You have to multiply x1 with p of x1 plus x2 into p of x2 plus x3 into p of x3 up to xn into p of x. xn into p of xn means બધા રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને બધાનું એડિશન કરવાનું. That is the mean. Symbol for mean is e of x. Symbol for mean is e of x. Second is variance. So formula for variance is e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x means mean. E of x means mean square. Now we have to find e of x square. So what is e of x square? E of x square means random variable no square multiply with its probability, means that is x1 square into p of x1, x2 square into p of x2 up to xn square into p of xn. मीन માં શું કરતા આપણે રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ ને પ્રોબેબિલિટી સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરતા. e of x સ્ક્વેર માં રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ ના સ્ક્વેર ને પ્રોબેબિલિટી સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. એ જે વેલ્યુ આવે એમાંથી મીન નો હોલ સ્ક્વેર સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો, so you will get variance. Symbol for variance is v of x or sigma x square. v of x or sigma x square. And third is standard deviation. Third is standard deviation. So standard deviation is the under root of variance. Statistic માં બધું તમે કર્યું હશે. હવે અહીંયા આપણે mean variance અને standard deviation probability ના ફોર્મમાં ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. Okay, so that is the formula for mean, that is for variance, and standard deviation is the square root of variance. Okay, we will take one example. Question number 80. Find the mean and variance of the number obtained in a single throw of a die. Find the mean and variance of a number obtained in a single throw of die. Here experiment is single throw or die. That is your random experiment. Your random variables will be x is equals to number obtained on top of base. Okay, so unbiased die. So બધા વેરિયેબલ ની 1 આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 1/6, 2 આવે એની 1/6, 3 આવે એની 1/6, 4 ની 1/6, 5 ની 1/6 and 6 ની પણ 1/6. બધાની probability 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Now for me, what we have to do? We have to multiply our random variable with probability. Okay. So 1 into 1/6 plus 2 into 1/6 plus 3 into 1/6 plus 4 into 1/6 plus 5 into 1/6 plus 6 into 1/6. So LCM is 6. In numerator it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So that is 11, 15, 18, 20, 21. 21/6 means we can write 7/2. So your mean is 7/2. Second is variance. Variance માટે પહેલા આપણે e of x square ની requirement પડશે. So e of x square is 1 to 6 xi square into p of xi. So that is 1 square into 1/6 plus 2 square into 1/6 up to 6 square into 1/6. LCM is again 6. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square. So that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 by 6. So that is 41, 51, 61, 77, 86, 90, 91. So that is 91 by 6. That is not your variance. That is E of x square. Now for variance, formula for variance is E of x square minus E of x whole square. So E of x square is 91 by 6 minus 7 by 2 whole square. So that is 91 by 6 minus 49 upon 4. LCM is 12. 2 3 multiply also, so that is 182. And then 3 3 multiply also, so that is 147. So that is 35 by 12. So answer is 35 by 12 variance. Standard deviation here means you have to take square root of this, means square root of 35 by 12. So that is your standard deviation. Clear? That is the mean, variance and standard deviation. Next lecture માં આ ટાઈપના સમ કરશું. પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે તમારે ત્રણ ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખવાની છે, મીન, વેરિયન્સ અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.